Hi guys, this is Jerry from Litmor customer support team. From today, we're gonna make a serious product tutorial video to introduce you about Litmor Battery Cam. In my hand is a new Litmor Battery Cam. Now let's quickly unpack it and find out what is actually in the box. Now, we have everything outside the box. From the right, we have the instruction in 3 different languages, including English, French, and German. From this instruction, you will learn the key installation suggestions, including the installation height and angle, and certain situations that need to be avoided during the installation, and also remind you to charge your battery cam before use. Next to the instruction, we have the 3M stickers. The 3M sticker is an ideal accessory when you want to mount your camera on any flat and clean surfaces like windows, like your front door or your back door. Then we have 4 pairs screws and anchor kit. This is when you want to mount your cameras on any rough surfaces like a brick wall, wooden wall, or concrete wall. In the package, we also have a universal standard USB charging cable. It is compatible with any USB socket that normally you use to charge your mobile phone and also the tablet. The last piece we have from the package is Litmor Battery Cam. When we get it out from the package, it is sitting inside the 360-degree mount. This mount brings you the flexibility of adjustment after installation. You can simply twist and rotate the camera inside the mount and point the camera to a certain area that you want to mount it. If you want to install your camera upside down like this, you just need to twist the camera and point the camera to the area that you want to mount it. And the mount will hold the camera very steady and it won't drop. Now, let's remove the camera from the mount and take a close look on the camera. On the bottom of the camera, there is a flat surface. It is for place the camera without the mount on any flat surface like on top of your dining table or on top of a chest drawer. And in the center of the flat surface, there is a screw hole. The screw hole is used to fit the camera to a mount like this. So you can screw the mount to the screw hole like this. And then mount the camera on the wall like this. Now let's move to the front panel. On the front panel, there are several function components. Start from this 125 degrees field view camera. Below the camera, there is a PR sensor. The PR sensor is used for motion track recording during the daytime, and after the sunset, the PR sensor is used for motion track recording and motion track lighting. The 2 yellow dots on the front panel are 2 spotlights. The brightness of the 2 spotlights is 92 lumens. Close to these 2 spotlights, there are 2 blue dots on the front panel. On the left hand side, the blue dot is the indicator light. On the right hand side, it is a brightness sensor. And if we take a very close on the edge of the front panel, there is a gray dot. That is a microphone for two-way talk. And this is gonna be everything for the first tutorial. And in the next tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to set up your camera with Litmor application. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.